Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome back sa lahat ng Capricorn at sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ay na Mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today ay ang inyong weekly reading para sa March 16 to 22. Okay. So, tignan natin kung ano yung masasagap kong energy from the Capricorn Collective. So, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng Capricorn na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Okay? Thank you so much po. Sana patuloy niyo supportahan by liking this video. At sa mga bago, sana supportahan niyo po ang aking channel by subscribing, by liking this video. Okay? It helps the channel grow and by writing a comment below for engagement. Okay? And if gusto niyo ng personal reading, just email me sa baba. Nasa description box yung email address ko. Okay? Yan. So, bubunot ako ng tatlong cards from this deck. And that will be the overall energy ng reading na to for this week. Okay? So, simulan na natin. Okay, I'll get the third card, which ngayon. First card, Five of Wands. Second card, Seven of Wands. And third card, Ten of Coins. Okay, let's see. Oopsie. Suit ko lang. Oopsie. Alright, so yung energy for this week when it comes to your love life is Five of Wands, Seven of Wands, and Ten of Coins. So, ang nakikita ko dito is merong minimal conflict lang naman between you and your person. Okay? Kasi from 7, mag-jump naman siya. From 5 of Wands, mag-jump naman siya to 7 of Wands. And 5 of Wands is, yun nga, may minimal conflict lang na or tension between you and your person. Okay? But you don't have to worry kasi ma-resolve naman siya. I can sense na yung connection ninyo is something na very mature naman. Okay? And whatever challenges or conflict or issues na nangyayari sa relationship, na-resolve siya agad. Okay, as I've said, Seven of Wands naman kasi is overcoming any conflict, overcoming challenges, di ba, issues. So, I can sense na, yun nga, from the current situation, kung meron any tension, mag-i-ease down siya sa coming days. Okay? So, don't worry, be happy. Okay? Kasi nakikita ko dito yung connection nyo naman is mahal nyo yung isa't isa. Okay? As shown here also by the Ten of Coins. Ten of Coins is a card of abundance and settling down. Okay? Card of stability. So everything from tension, it will be resolved and it will go back to normal or back to something stable. Okay? So, kalma lang. Better na pag-usapan siya, upuan, and sige, tingnan natin ang detalye with the other deck. Okay? So, dito, bubunot ako ng 8 cards. That would be the details of the reading. And habang binabalasa ko ito, gusto ko lang i-remind ang lahat that this is a collective reading. So, may or may not resonate with everyone. Okay? And pwede hindi ko nasagap kasi yung energy niyo. So, huwag pilitin kapag hindi nag-resonate. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Kaya importante na subscribe kayo sa aking channel para updated kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang videos. Or panoorin nyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na, baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Okay? See, one last shuffle. So, again, thank you sa support. Kung gusto niyo ng personal and private reading, message niyo ako kasi mas aligned yun sa energy ninyo. Okay. Sige, bubunutin ko rin ulit. Third card, simulan natin the sun. Okay. Starts with a very good card. Second card, the Empress. Okay. Third card, the Chariot. Oh, major arcana. Okay. Fourth card. Oh, the Tower. Major arcana na naman. Fifth card, Eight of Swords. Sixth card, the High Priestess, another major arcana. Two of Swords. Last card, the Fool. Wala. O diba? 6 out of 8 ay major arcana. Okay. So, sige. Let's interpret first that there's a strong energy of Leo. Okay. Taurus, Cancer, okay, Aries, Pisces, and Aquarius. Okay, so pwedeng isa doon ay isa sa mga signs na nabanggit ko ay sign ng person ninyo, but doesn't have to. Pwedeng ibang signs din, yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Okay, pero check nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Venus, and rising placements ng person ninyo. Baka isa rin doon sa mga nasabi ko. Okay. Alright, sige, let's start. Again, masaya naman kayo together as a couple. Okay, there's a very, shown here by the Sun um, card, na there's so much happiness in this relationship, uh, and yung feeling na, alam yung successful kayo sa, sa connection, di ba? Basta masaya kayo. And nakikita ko dito na there's so much abundance. Kaya kayo masaya kasi nag-uumapal yung love between you and your person, and very caring and loving kayo pareho. Okay? And it's well reciprocated. However nga, I think related dun sa overall energy ng tatlong cards dito, na meron nga kayong currently for this week, meron lang tension or issues na kailangang i-resolve. And it's uh, moving towards a better, yun nga, from the tension to stability. So, nakikita din dito sa energy na to. Kasi, it's uh, parang you're taking action naman dun sa, parang hindi nyo siya hinahayaan na nandun lang siya, na nakatenga lang yung sitwasyon or yung issue. You both have plans to settle it, to resolve it, kasi yun, mag-shift nga siya ng energy. So from from Chariot to the Tower, which is a card of change, a shift, di ba? So from something chaotic to something more stable. Okay, na makikita dito sa lower cards. Okay? So, Eight of Swords, dito, sinasabi dito sa Eight of Swords na yun, meron lang na feeling nyo stuck kayo sa situation. Because sinsettle nyo pa nga lang. I mean, na stuck kayo dun sa issue, sa tension, di ba? So from here, So moving forward, tapos nagkaroon ng sudden shift. Okay, yung happy and nurturing love, nagkaroon ng tension lang. Pwede may tampuhan, argument na nangyari. Okay? And nag-shift lang siya to something na parang feeling nyo stuck kayo dun sa issue na meron kayo. However, as shown here by the High Priestess, na it's, kasi si High Priestess, ano siya, siya yung um, may mga alam siya na nasa sa kanya kung sasabihin niya or not. Yung parang sense of mystery, kumbaga yung energy niya. Pero again, kaya yung sa inyo, nasa sa inyo yun, i-confront nyo ba yung situation or not. Which, ang sinasabi ni Universe is you really have to para maging stable yung relationship from conflict, you overcome it, resolve it, fix it, para bumalik siya dun sa stability. So, yun yung ano na parang may tendency lang kayo to uh, withhold the pare, kung may alam kayo, di ba, sabihin nyo na para ma-resolve na nga yung situation. Kasi dito, kumabit siya sa Two of Swords, which is making compromises. So, I think yung issue ninyo or yung intention or pinagpulan ng di pagkakaunawaan or tampuhan, okay, um, ang need lang dito para mas maayos siya is a compromise. Okay, meet halfway, and which is very important um, sa dynamics ninyo as a couple, as two people in love, di ba? And there's a deep connection between the two of you, as shown here by the High Priestess. That's what I see. Kaya meron, yung sa Two of Swords lang, may mga compromises lang kayong kailangan gawin para mag-shift na yung energy sa the Fool. The Fool is a new beginning. Okay, freedom. Freedom from the issue. Freedom from chaos. Freedom from stress. Freedom from um, yung yun nga na freedom from the heartache caused by the tension, di ba? So there will be a new beginning eventually once na ma-resolve nyo na yung issue. And this new beginning will set you free from all this um, heartache and stress and babalik na siya dun sa stability. And magkakaroon na ng uh, peace of mind ulit for both parties. Okay, so there's a new beginning, babalik siya sa ano ba yung new beginning dito lalo sa reading, sa the sun, the happiness. So, it's very important talaga na upuan ninyo at pag-usapan ninyo yung sitwasyon. Okay, so sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod na bang love reading. Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno. In short, mismo. Maraming salamat. Kita-kits. Ingat.